If you're new, welcome. While you're here, why don't you hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell? That way you're notified every time I upload a video. So, my name is Cuban Beauty. I do run a beauty channel. I'm 41 years old. I live in the state of Texas. I'm bringing makeup hauls and makeup tutorials to the everyday modern woman. I will do anything from high-end makeup to more affordable makeup. Mainly more affordable. If I do high-end, it'll be stuff that I get at TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Burlington. Something to that effect. Now, if you like what you're seeing, keep on watching. Otherwise, let's move on to the video. Today, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of October. I have no idea which variation it is. I don't know anything. I just got it in the mail. I did cut the seal on it before I came in here, but I didn't take a peek because I didn't want to look at it without y'all because I like to be as surprised as you are. So let's open the box and see what we have. For starters, it says Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. Didn't realize I was a charmer. I must be. Okay, guys, here it is. Pardon me. Boxycharm. It comes up with a coupon plus 3 free samples for IT Cosmetics. 10% off your next purchase. So there's that. And I have variation box number 1. Now, before I go any further into this box, I'm going to tell you, Boxycharm is a $21 a month makeup subscription. You'll receive anywhere from 4 to 5 full-size makeup products every month. Not sample size, but full-size deluxe products every month for $21. And the boxes almost always are well over $100 in value. Now, their motto this month is Alter Ego. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, guys, we've got quite a few things in here. Let's look and see what we have. They always come really nicely packaged with this foam. I call it egg crate. Everybody calls it different stuff, but I call it that because it's how I've always known. Okay, we have first the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Vampira. And what do you know? I already own that color in a lipstick. Not in a liquid lip, but I do own it in a lipstick. So let's see what it looks like in a liquid lippy. Here, let me go to this side because this side's open. I do like liquid lipsticks. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a dark wine color, but I love it. That's so pretty. And I like Kat Von D. Her formulation is usually really, really good. Let's see here. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's like a dark plum. Perfect for fall. Perfect. That is the Kat Von D. This one retails for $20 for the Kat Von D, which I like that. I like that a lot because, as I mentioned, I love Kat Von D cosmetics. So that worked out well for me. The next thing, if I can get it out of here, here we go. I was waiting for this. The Superhero IT Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I love mascara, and I hear this mascara is phenomenal. I personally do not know. I've never tried it, but I do like mascara, so we're going to look at it together. Let's see the wand. I like to see the wands. Okay, that's a nice bristly wand. That looks like it would be pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, it goes on pretty smooth there. It's a nice dark black, which I like. You're probably wondering, Carmen, why are you putting mascara all over your hand? I'm a bit of a dingbat, I guess. But I like it, but we are going to wipe this off. So let's get something over here to wipe this off. My trusty baby wipes, which is what I use for makeup wipes. In case you're wondering, I do use baby wipes. Not because I'm cheap, but because they work really well. And because I have sensitive skin, I buy the sensitive skin baby wipes. But they work great. You'd be surprised how well they work to take off makeup. They're really, really good. Waterproof makeup, whatever. It works. Awesome. And there you go. It's off. Just like that. And I love that. At the moment, I'm using the Pampers sensitive because it just happened to be what the store had when I went. So, I like that. Next thing we've got in here. Okay. And this retails for $24. So, right there you have $44 worth of product. Right there. That paid for the box alone right there. Twice, I might add. With change. The next thing we have is Lace Appeal Dermamovia Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. There's 2 face masks. Peel intensity level medium. I've never tried anything like this. It says compression for deep exfoliation. It tells you how to do it. There's a tube in here that feels like there's a tube, and from the back it says that there's a tube that you apply first, and then you put the mask over that. So I'm guessing the The tube must be something to adhere the mask to your skin. I'm not sure. Maybe we can do a video on that and see what that's all about. Although I don't know if I want to put a mask on my face on a camera. The next thing we have here is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy, made exclusively for Boxycharm. This one retails for $22. Pardon me. The mask retailed for $30. Now, it's funny that I got this because I was just complaining that I needed to go buy some facial cleanser because I'm totally out. Oh, smells really clean. It's real smooth, real not greasy or anything. It's just real smooth and smells really good. It's a cult favorite makeup cleansing balm that melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing to leave on your skin, and it makes it hydrated and smooth. Which is good because I have sensitive skin. I need something that's going to hydrate my skin. So we have the Green Clean by Pharmacy. Now, last but not least, which I knew everybody was getting this one regardless, this is a palette from Pure Cosmetics. This is called the Midnight Masquerade palette. And this one is $38. Let's look at this one together. Oh, it's pretty. The packaging is pretty. I like the colors from what I can see. One of the blushes, I don't know, it kind of scares me, but the more I look at it, the more... Oh, it's cruelty-free. Beautiful. Perfect. The more I look at it, the more I think I might be able to use that blush. At first, I wasn't sure when I saw it. Other people unboxing, I thought it might be a little too dark for me. But now that I see it, it looks like it might be something I actually could use. So let's see. Well, if I could ever open it, we will see. There we go. My nails didn't want to open that. Come on. Well, this palette is bound and determined not to come out of this box for me today. Alright, there we go. Got it. Alright, loves. Okay, we've got a small little mirror right here, which is kind of cool. It's a little small for what I would need it for, but that's okay. Well, no, that blush does kind of scare me now that I look at it a little more. I didn't think it would scare me too much, but now that I see it, it does kind of scare me. It's this one right here. I'm going to try it on my hand and see. Yeah, see, that's a little dark for a blush for me. The other one is this pinkish rosy color. Even that one might scare me. This is called Enchantment. This one I think would be more of like a bronzer. And then another one that I think would be more of a highlight. I'll put that one up here. So you can barely see that one on me. And it's not because I'm so medium skin tone, but yeah, that's more of a highlight, this one right here. This one I would not use as a blush. I'd use it as an eyeshadow. That one too, probably. I don't know. I'd have to play with them. Now, these are the eyeshadows. Now, these I will swatch for you on my arm. I've got room up here. I've got Exposed, which is this silvery, shimmery one, which is kind of hard to see on my arm. The next one is gorgeous. It's called Sneak Peek. It's like a brown. It's pretty for the fall. This one's really pretty. Showtime. It's blue. That's gorgeous. I like that. Then we have something called Mask Off, which is gold. Huh, that's gold. We have a real pretty plum color light called Disguise. That's pretty. I like that one a lot. And the last one is called 12 a.m. And then we'll put that one right there. That's like a coal black almost. Those are really pretty. It does come with a mirror, very small mirror, so it'd be kind of tough to really use per se. But the palette's gorgeous. I'll definitely use it. I mean, make no mistake, I'll use the palette. I'll probably use it in a video. So be sure you stay tuned for a video. I'll link it in the description if I do use this palette to see how it works. Of course, those are some very bold colors, so it would have to be a really bold eye look for me to use those colors. But otherwise, it's not a bad eyeshadow palette. It's really not. I mean, it's a great palette. It's got some heavier, darker colors that I would not generally wear myself just because I don't normally wear the brighter, bolder colors. The boldest I go is purple and blues, as you can see. Other than that, I don't really go that much bolder than that. But you know what? It's always time to try, right? Always the first time for everything. So we'll see. And that palette was for $38. The mascara was $24. The facial mask was $30. The Kat Von D lipstick was $20, and the Green Clean by Pharmacy was $22. And if I'm not mistaken, I do believe I had the Vampire lipstick. Let me double check. I may be misinforming you, though. I have a Kat Von D lipstick, and I could have sworn it was that one. Let me look. I have a lot of lipstick, you guys, so there's no telling which lipstick I have. Nope, I have Cathedral. I was wrong. I almost bought Vampire this weekend. That's what it is. I have Cathedral, which is a little bit of a lighter plum color from Kat Von D. And then this is Vampire, which I love. I love that dark color, that burgundy color. That's going to be a pretty fall lipstick. That'll be really pretty for the fall. Alright guys, that's all I got today for this video. I hope you enjoyed my haul. And again, if you're new, hit like and subscribe. Join the Cuban Beauty Familia and ring that bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I will put a referral link for my Boxycharm down in the box below, in the description box below. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them in the comments and I will look at them. All of my social media is down in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you'll have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video. Love y'all. Bye, besos.